Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. So I'm going to give you an updated garden tour because it's been a minute, I think. Last October was the last time I showed you. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let's do this. So for those of you that are new here, I live in a 424 square foot condo in Santa Ana, California. And without traffic, I'm an hour south of Los Angeles. First, in front of my condo, we have the special cookie cutter ivy and whatnot plants. That I wish I could change, but sadly not. Now, one of the challenges is I've got this gate that opens all the way. So this area needs to be kept clear. This is the water valves for me and the upstairs neighbor. I used to have a potting bench, but I had to get rid of it because it got thrashed in the rain. It was really just a console table that was really not meant for outdoors. I've got some Gambilia, Gencia, Grand Canyon, Siskiyou Blue Fescue, Yankee Point Ceanothus, more Siskiyou Blue Fescue, Dudleya, California Woodland Strawberry. Funny enough, not dead, but has yet to produce a strawberry, so who knows? And you're gonna hear the trash truck behind me. It is trash day. More Ceanothus here, Allen Chickering, Cleveland Sage. The leaves are kind of burgundy yellow to some degree, but it's not dead. Then I've got some gargoyles and accessories. Here we've got another Ceanothus, Concha, I believe. I think it's either that or I want to say Frosty Blue. More Dudleyas and Siskiyou Blue Fescue. Dudleyas are my favorite succulent, and there's a plenty of them. Allen Chickering, Cleveland Sage. Siskiyou Blue Fescue. Now, I put this lavender here because I was told that lavender would deter snails from getting at my raised beds. That is not true for me. So in this planter we have a tomato. They are delicious. In this planter we have rosemary, thyme, oregano, cilantro, Chinese water spinach, which I believe is called ang choy. This is going to be a golden bell pepper, and this is an ancho poblano. And then in this pot we have some parsley and basil, which I use most often. And look! Ah, motherfucker. Go away. Anyway, so this morning I put the copper tape because I was told that would deter snails. Although I'm thinking that particular snail was probably already here. But hopefully for future, the copper tape will help deter the snails. I hope so, because I'm at my wit's end with these suckers. Anyway, So this is the current state of my garden. And this chair, before I forget, I bought it at Ross. A random find. Super comfortable. This garden is about 100 square feet. So if I can garden and grow stuff in 100 square feet, and you've got more space than me, then the possibilities are endless for you.